Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the Abaqus AQUA of a group of a riser in the wavy water, and we consider the drag load over all the beams separately. Then we consider the velocity as the current velocity at the free surface of the water, linear model, and then the wave in the x direction of the free surface with considering the angle with x and zeta direction. So if I click on animate, you can see here this is the wave and the current velocity, then the deformation of the risers group. And in the Abaqus Aqua we we don't we can't use any elements, and some of the elements are available like beam thrust, shell, and the others. And now let me click on this to check the stress. Here you can see this is the stress. By increasing the current velocity or the wave height or length, we can observe the different results in the model. Here we consider the Morrison equation to apply drag load and the Airy model for the wave and the current velocity at the free surface. And we can check, for instance, nodal force in x direction, nodal force in y, zeta, anything, then the displacement. See here, this is the displacement of the water wave during the time, velocity, or anything else. See here. You can use also dynamic implicit, explicit, these two steps in the Abaqus Aqua. These are available. And the time, you can use any time here to check the response of the risers under this current velocity, wave model, and the drag load. Okay, if you want to learn the Abaqus Aqua and writing the correct code to define the current, the waves, the drag load, or anything else, you can use this model or this tutorial. So to provide this model, come to our website here, abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorial here, click on title. Then you will have an introduction of Abaqus Aqua, the key features of Abaqus Aqua assembled part, then the applications, the conclusion, and then the result as figures here. So you can provide CAE INP code, step-by-step English video, and the price is 49 euros. And our payment methods here are all cryptocurrencies as the first option, like Tether, Bitcoin, Tron, and everything. The second option is PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard. Before payment, send me an email to tell you more about the model, the content, the information, or anything that you need to know. And for now, thank you for your attention.